Alright, I don't want to waste your time. I got 2 of these 2TB NVMe's. We just barely finished building this computer, and I'm going to show you how to actually enable the second NVMe on your actual computer here. So this right here, this is called disk management, and how you get here is you right click the Windows, and right here, disk management, this is what will pop up. Just hit cancel. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out. And then this right here is the second NVMe. What you're going to do is hover over the actual disk here. You're going to right click, and then you're just going to hit initialize disk. And then what it's going to do is it's going to pop up this little dialog here, and you just simply hit OK. And then what you're going to end up doing is you're going to come back over here to File Explorer and hit New Simple Volume, Next, 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 Finish. And then what's going to happen is this is going to pop up, New Volume D, select what to, whatever this and that. So you go ahead and open folder to view it, or you can just come back over here and your second NVMe will show up. So I hope that this helps you. I know this is very quick. Throw a thumbs up, leave a comment for the algorithm since this was super quick. Yeah, man, hope that helped you guys.